I'm starting this week by getting these shelves cleared and get down. I'll just show you that one. There's a candle on here that's just completely melted onto the thing. It got very hot in here. Right, they're screwed on. Better get a screwdriver. This is my mitre saw. I still think these are one of the best things you can use for cutting a mitre. Not so much this one anymore because it's all got a bit melted and buggered up. I don't know whether that's savable or not. But the saw which was hanging up over here, the handle's melted off. Now I might be able to make a new handle for it. But it's melted onto that screw, onto that hook I had on there, and was stuck on it. Bloody amazing. Can't get any of the screws out. I don't know whether it's because they've got hot and soft, but the eggs are just stripping as soon as I try and get them out. So I'm going to have to review. I'm going to have to resort to the big basher and hope I can get them out. Bugger. I don't think this is going to work. I'm going to have to saw it. Well, it's out. That was a lot harder than it should have been. I'm glad this bit of stud's out. I don't know why, but it feels like a bit of a landmark. The original plan to cut it down and put a big cupboard in there wouldn't really have worked. I'm glad I changed my mind about that, because I would never have been able to alter that to do the cupboard. I've damaged the ceiling quite a bit getting that out, but not to worry, it's out. It is only a shed. Do have to keep reminding myself of that. So I'm going to clear the stuff off of these walls now. This wall up to probably about them shelves. I'm not going to be able to get much further than that because it gets a bit congested over there, as you can see. I've got this rack on the ceiling with metal on it, which I'm going to get the metal off and take the rack down just to make painting a bit of the ceiling easier. So I'll get that cleared off, and then it's wash it down and do a bit more painting. So all stripped off, washed down a bit, first coat of paint on that, and the ceiling up here. I don't think it's going to pick it up very well, but these walls are particularly black, which don't surprise me because most of the smoke came through this door behind me, so this end of it copped the worst of it without a doubt. As you can see by the cupboards and that over there, they're well blacked. But got a little bit more done, and now of course I've got a bench full of crap that I've got to clean, which I'll get on with because it don't do itself. Don't know whether the camera will show this, but you can still see where the little bit of stud wall was still there, and you can see probably quite a significant difference in the colour on the walls, and that's purely because these walls had considerably more smoke damage and they're just a lot blacker even after I've cleaned them. But anyway, there's a bit more painting done. It's had 3 coats now. This bit of wall and ceiling, it only leaves that bit there round to there. So, but there's still a lot of shit over in this side of the workshop. And I've got all the stuff that come from here on the bench to clean up and sort out. But there's one other thing. I had to walk over and turn them on, so I hope that was noticeable. I've got some more lights up, still got to tidy all the cabling up, but the actual lights are up, so it's considerably lighter in here now. It actually makes that corner look even more dismal. But anyway, I've got to get on with this lot. Anyway, I've got to get on with cleaning this crap off of this table, cleaning up what's salvageable and chucking away what's not. I'll get on with that. Hopefully I'll have a bit more to show you next week. So until then, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for all your comments as usual, and I'll see you next week. Bye for now.